This is the intro.
Leave me alone. Fuck off.
Shine water. Nice. I'm gonna film Instagram call the shots today.
Yeah. What the fuck's your camera making that noise for?
Just focusing on its own. You want to give us a little legendary scream into the mic?
You got to tag it up.
Right, so I put on my Instagram this. Leave us some shit. And right, so we'll go with, let's see all what we have so far. So let's go. Dexy, you can go first. I'm gonna call Dex for a trick off of here. I'll put it on the screen. Actually, no, I can't be able to edit it like that. No, I really can't be able to edit it like that. So, right, I'm gonna go with a thing. Focus! Finger it for Dexy. Over the A-frame. Let's do that. First try, alright? Come on. First try. Right, we'll go over there. By the way, it's like -1, so. Yo, that was actually clean.
Yeah, man.
-1 degree weather. Doing the thing, you know what I'm saying? Just lock the. Fuck knows how this video is going to come out, right? So now, what Dex is going to do, he's going to go on my phone, onto my Instagram. He's going to, yeah, he's going to choose me a trick. So let's see what he chooses.
You can do 540.
540. Where do you want me to do it?
I'm going to be completely honest with you. Probably on here.
On here? Alright.
Yeah, man.
One set you to do, so you got one more attempt.
Yo. Nines.
So, completed it. Let's get the phone ready, watch this. I'm now going to call Dex for a trick, right? Oh my god, it's so cold. Alright, do a triple whip.
Yeah.
Here he goes. For the triple whip. I don't know if it's focused or not. Probably not. Yo. Banged it like it was nothing. So, right. We've come to the conclusion that basically all the tricks that I've been called, or we've been called, are like ridiculous. They're like, considering we have like a 2-foot A-frame, a rail, a ledge, that weird contraption thing over there, and a 2.5-foot quarter, we're gonna call each other shots for the rest of the video. So we can actually get some content, you know what I'm saying? So, Dexter's gonna call me a trick. Anything you want, anywhere you want.
I want to see another prize.
Right, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I never do overheads. I never do overheads. So,
Go on then.
kids.
Yeah, they're good. They're good kids. Good mans. Nines.
My head.
He's absolutely.
I'm happy with that. Right. I'm gonna get Dexter to do. I want to see him do. I can see myself. Hi guys. A heel rewind over the A-frame.
What's the tip for it?
Jump on it.
Get over it. I think I sniffed it. They did it.
Here he goes. He's gonna do a heel whip rewind. Yo. Oi! Oh! Right. We were trying that for Insta clips yesterday and he wasn't landing it. And he just banged it first try. Selfie film. Yo, oh my god.
You see rail to hill.
Oh god. How many goes? 2.
Yeah, man.
Alright, you don't have a rebate, so I want S. So I didn't land that, so I want fucking bastard. So I want S. Now I'm gonna call Dexter to do a bar whip over the A-frame.
Oh, mate.
Yeah. Yo. That was clean as fuck as well.
Good man, cheese. There's something in my balls.
Shout out, yo. Shout out Roy Scooter Store for the Scorpion wheels coming 9s. Alright. So you're gonna call me a trick.
1 hour later.
Kicky whip.
Gap, A-frame.
Gay frame. Sorry, A-frame. Good man. Schneeds.
First try. Right, so I'm gonna call Dexter right now. I want him to do a shit, I don't know. I want to do you a feeble hill on the ledge. Schneebs? Schneeblings, right? Shout Schneebs. Oh, he did it like it was nothing. He just started laughing halfway through the trick. Banged it.
Yeah.
And he started calling you hard as shit. You're not even on a letter yet.
No, man.
Alright, call me one.
You're only good at unless whips.
Whip unless is as close.
Alright, do a whip unless.
Jesus. In 2 goes.
You're not doing it?
No.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to call Dexter. Feeble 180 to 180 bar out. Yep. Here comes. Dexter Mayer.
Hey, I don't do like that.
Wait, hey, what's the time?
Yeah.
Oh, no, yeah, I had time.
Yes.
That's right.
Yes.
Mate, that's impossible.
So I'm on SH, you're on S.
Yes.
So that's a good man sneeze.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm watching.
No, don't worry.
Bunda.
Oh yeah. I want to see a quad whip.
Fine.
Yeah. Ollie's famous guys, just getting asked questions. Yeah, pro rider. So basically, he didn't land it.
Oh fuck, I'm gonna lose on my own channel.
Shoats. He's on show.
Right, I'm gonna call Dex. Now if you can hear me, I don't even know if this mic works. I haven't really set up properly, but if you can hear me then that's good.
Well, if you can't, you won't be seeing this.
Dex is gonna do right now. So I'm gonna call Schneebling 1 to do.
Oh, it's just your headset's a bit creaky.
I wanna see you do the rail. There you go. I'm on SHO shot, yeah. I'm on SHO and Schneeb is on SH. So yeah. My lips are so dry, I'm sorry. Basically, it's -1 degrees right now, pretty much. And it's fucking cold. So Schneeb's gonna call me another trick.
So a triple hill off of this. Come on, G-Block.
Can't right now. Go on, cheers. Oh, can I have a rebate?
I'm trying once more and then I'm going to the park.
Oh, imagine!
So he's on shot.
Shot. I've got 1 more letter left.
I'm not.
No, I haven't got a rebate either. So
I need to lock it.
I'm pretty dry lip texture. I want to see you do. Because you got quite close to the I want to see you quad over that.
Fuck you.
Alright, I called him a quad whip over this. See, well, he's not even that far off. I don't know what he's doing. Look at that. Look at that, boys. Oh. So now you're on show and on shot.
Yeah.
Shit. You play shit. Should I do a Briar whip? Or nah, you call
Mate,
me.
it's my call.
I know, I forgot.
Freak.
The most This is the only sound you're gonna hear through this video.
See a 360 into fakie on that.
Whoa! No, I do not like that. I do not like that. Fair snot coming out. No, I do not like that. Shit, I'm out.
Oh, hot man!
What, is that the pain from you winning or what?
No, I actually got hot man.
Oh, Dex gonna outro the video.
Once again, just like Craig. In the, what's it called, call the shots. I won.
I don't have a right axle.
And he lost.
Let us know if you want us to do more videos down Shining Water because we can make that happen.
No, we can't. I quit from scootering. Goodbye.